In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 myths around bariatric surgery that come up time and time again in different shades and different forms in my conversation with patients who are keen to consider weight loss surgery. Let me go through these myths one at a time. The first myth is surgery is a cop-out. It is an easy way out. It is almost like cheating. Well, let me begin by saying that we have all heard that surgery, like diets and exercise, is like a tool. If you don't know how to use that tool, you will always blame something external to you. Like you'll blame the tool, not the person who is still learning how to use the tool. Let me give you an example. Now, I'm sure you must have heard of the television program The Biggest Loser. Now, in The Biggest Loser, as you probably know, they would take a bunch of people over a certain BMI and they would put them through a very rigorous process of diet, but predominantly exercise over a short period of time and see how much weight they lost. Now, that's a very shallow way of measuring weight loss success, because what the Harvard University did was they actually took 24 of these people and they followed them for a period of 7 years. And what they realized was that most of the people regained not only the weight that they had lost during the television show, but more than that. But here was the striking bit. The people who went through The Biggest Loser not only showed a slowing down of their metabolism by the time the show ended, but also what they realized was that they became even more hungrier. And that is a concern. According to this study that was published in the Obesity Society Perspectives, they found that there was a metabolic adaptation that took place in these patients because they were trying to shift their weight purely by physical measures alone. And we know that the real problem is not weight loss, the real problem is weight maintenance. And this is where understanding that surgery, like anything else, is just a tool. It is a far more powerful and a far more effective tool. And unless we learn to shift our metabolism by certain specific dietary habits, mindset shifts, and also what is it that is causing us to make those poor choices? And most of the times, it is a heightened stress response. So, I hope this gives you some clarity on what is really a cop-out. It's not that surgery is a cop-out, but not being able to use the power of surgery to create long-term success is actually a cop-out.